pitch decks are an essential tool for startups and entrepreneurs looking to secure funding, partnerships, or customers. A well-crafted pitch deck can communicate your vision, traction, and market opportunity in a concise and compelling way. In this video, we'll go over how to create a pitch deck and write content for it. Step 1. Define your audience. The first step in creating a pitch deck is to identify your target audience. Are you pitching to investors, potential customers, or partners? Each audience will have different needs and interests, so it's essential to tailor your content accordingly. Step 2. Define your key message. Once you know your audience, define your key message. What is the main idea or benefit you want to communicate? Your message should be simple, clear, and memorable. Step 3. Outline your pitch deck. Before you start writing content, it's helpful to create an outline of your pitch deck. A typical pitch deck will include the following sections: Introduction, Problem, Solution, Market, Business Model, Traction, Competition, Financials, Ask, Conclusion. Step 4. Write your content. With your outline in place, it's time to start writing your content. Here are some tips for each section of your pitch deck. Introduction. Start with a hook that captures your audience's attention. Introduce your company and your key message. Problem. Describe the problem you are solving and why it matters. Use data and examples to illustrate the problem. Solution. Explain your solution and how it solves the problem. Show how your solution is unique and differentiated from competitors. Market. Describe your target market and the size of the opportunity. Explain why your target market needs your solution. Business model. Explain how you will make money. Describe your revenue streams and pricing strategy. Traction. Show evidence of your progress and success. Describe your key milestones, customer testimonials, and partnerships. Competition. Analyze your competitors and explain why your solution is better. Show how you are uniquely positioned to win. Financials. Describe your financial projections and assumptions. Explain how much funding you need and how you will use it. Ask. Clearly state what you are asking for example, funding, partnership, customer acquisition. Conclusion. Summarize your key message and end with a call to action. Step 5. Design your pitch deck. Once you have written your content, it's time to design your pitch deck. Use a clean and professional design that highlights your key message and visuals. In conclusion, creating a pitch deck and writing content for it requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can create a compelling pitch deck that effectively communicates your vision, traction, and market opportunity. Good luck!